Welcome to Genuine Core, guys. In this video I'm going to show you some of the components available in the JFoenix library. It has been 12 tutorials before this video, and I have shown so many components, and there is one cool application provided by the JFoenix development team in their demo folder, and by running that demo we can see what are the components and what are the possibilities that are available in the JFoenix package. And I have cloned this repository using Git. I will show you that later. At first, let's run the demo. So for that they have provided a shell script, and I'm going to run it using the super user privilege run-demo.sh, and it's going to take some time because it's compiling a lots of files. And let's see. So this is the demo application provided by the JFoenix development team, and we have covered this. This is the material design button. So these are various kind of buttons available in the package, and in the left side there is a hamburger, and there's a list of components that are available. And let's see the checkbox. So we know about this checkbox, right? We have already done that. And there are combo box, dialogues is something that's took my interest because it's a center JFoenix dialog, and from the top we can there are different types of transition available for the dialog, and there are icons, different kind of icons, and list view, tree table view. I recommend you guys to run this program, run this demo, in order to understand the possibilities of these components. There are progress bar, there are radio buttons, there are sliders, etc., and finally there is a masonry viewer. There is a full screen support, and this is masonry layout. And with masonry layout, it is some kind of dynamic layout that can be used to that will readjust its components dynamically. I will definitely cover the how to use these components in a later section. For now, you just run this demo and understand what are the components available with this package. And I think I should say how to run this program. So at first, what you have to do is you have to create a folder, and that can be done using mkdir folder name. And in my case, I have already created a folder called JFoenix, and for that you have to use mkdir JFoenix, and you will get a folder called the JFoenix. And then you have to download. Either you can use the git clone method if you know that, or you can download the entire GitHub repository using this download zip method, and then extract the zip to the JFoenix folder. And in the JFoenix folder I have uncompressed the repository and JFoenix. So these are the components, these are the files that you get when you decompress the folder, and the point of interest is definitely in the make folder. So in Windows you have to run this run-demo.bat. First run the build.bat, then run-demo.bat, and in Linux we have to run the build.sh and run-demo.sh. So before running the program, you have to have some components installed in your machine. So the first thing they require is Java Home. To determine whether the components is already installed, just run echo $Java Home, and if it shows something like this, my Java is installed at userlib jvm or jdk, then that means it is already installed. So the first component required is Java Home. If this is not installed in your system, you just try Google it, and there are lots of websites. There is answer in Stack Overflow. And the second thing you want to install is this and in order to understand whether, or in order to determine whether it is already installed, you can check where is and my system contains and, so it locates the folder to the and. So that's it. I got both Java home and installed. So I can run the code, or I can run the sample by first running build.sh. In my case, I need the super user privilege, so sudo .bar build.sh. I mean, I am not in the folder. cd JFoenix bar make. Okay, then sudo .bar build.sh, and now let's run the code. So if it's everything is correct, I mean if Java home is installed and is installed, you will get something like this. It is building the source code, and the build successful, and total time took is 9 seconds. And next thing is we have to run the demo. So with super user privilege, run-demo.sh, and here we go, compiling 100 source files. And yes, we got it. So that's it. That's how you run the demo of JFoenix material library, guys. I hope the video was useful. Let me know your feedback in the comments, and like the video if you like it. Subscribe for more cool videos. Thank you.